Okay, everyone. I'll be MBLove23 here with my little fish. I'm going to move this because it's dangerous with sleep. But yeah, so I decided to stupid papers. As you can see, my bed is messy. Oh my god. So yeah, as you can see, cool stuff. Yeah. Wondered where I got my bag? I got it. I just did. You know what's weird is I have a friend named Justin. I think that's a little weird. But yeah, so I decided to make another video of my fish today. And you're in luck, because today you get to see me feed them. And this for you guys. So we're going to have it on top. This thing here is my filter. That's what my filter is. Okay, so it's time to fill them. To mix or whatever. Tropical crisp. Okay, guys, you ready to eat? Okay. So this is what food, not my fingers, little flakes. You just take it and drop it in there. I crunch them up and put them in there. Hey guys, what's up? I crunch them up. I'm just kind of feed them. This is the thing that crushed my finger. Again, I got it. Dog. Oh yeah, and I'm not going to let you guys see my face, but I am going to let you guys see my shirt. So, my brother is in the Marines. Yes, it will let you see him. It says United States Marines, 1st Battalion, Bravo Company, woo! NCRD, Marines, State Corp, whatever. San Diego. And I'm not sure if you can see it. Hopefully you can. Okay, so it says Michael Zuber, platoon, 1027. Because my brother is Michael Zuber. We're not actually brother-sister brothers. Or brother-sister. We're not related, but we're just half brothers and sisters. So you guys know. Not really brothers and sisters. And now they're swimming around like, ah, yeah, no, they're not. So yeah, I didn't get anything new to my tank. I just kind of wanted to show you guys my fish tank. And excuse me, I just again. Totally just lost where my name thing went. And it's cool again. That's fine. Okay. Sorry, saying random stuff. Okay, so just to refrain, my fish names again. This little guy down here doing. Hold on, I'll come around. What is he even doing? Oh, what is he doing? Ow! Ow! I hit myself. And this guy's over here is doing it. Dude, what the crap? What in the world are they doing? Ah! Yeah, they're very weird. This big guy here is Joey. That green and that orange one is Oscar. That little green one's Flo. That red one right there. There's a couple down there. Is Rod. So yeah, just gonna kind of let you watch them for a minute. That's a very interesting fish. I could watch them all night. To find something to talk about. Well, guys, what am I going to talk about? How many minutes do I got? Okay, well that's were good. Well, I think what I'm going to do now. What the shit is it doing? Okay, I don't even know what they're doing. So if you guys know what they're doing down there, they're just like acting like dogs sniffing. Will you guys tell me? I want to know what the heck they're doing. I think what I'm gonna do. Oh, is show you this. Really. That's right. No, that's not the right thing. Go. Oh well. Okay. Well, I can't show you that then. So now what is this? Oh no, did it get wet? Oh, I remember this. Okay. Don't ask what I'm talking about, guys. Watch this. And I mean, ask nothing. Of course I am. I'm an idiot. And there it goes. Okay, guys. Goodbye. It fell. Okay, that's what just happened. Computer fell. And look at this awesome toy. Okay, this thing on top of it that holds the screen in really like came off almost. Oh god, be okay. Okay, awesome teddy bear, we will. Oh, I'm sorry for flipping out, guys. Okay then, that's my video for today. Goodbye.